Buenas, another day and another kayo diet naman for today's video. But this time, otro setup guys, kasi chenyo luncheon event, baptism, and then di noche chenyo debuman coordinate. So literal crafter sa umaga, burikat sa gabi. Ay hindi pala, coordinator sa gabi. And at least I get to hustle with my family. Bien, matindi gatit pangangailangan. Chas! So STLDC and Avail, mini craft station is guys, 80 pieces on. My programmel event, so medyo pressured na stamping time. Woohoo! Pero thank you Kuya Ice na help. Ready daw limang bakbak ang stamping. 150 pieces pagka di noche. So change venue in 3, 2, 1. Everything is ready na venue. Tan pictorial lang Aldemio very own. Debutant. Same stylist lang as the guys of Daydreams Events by Miss Aleli. Venue is Glass House, Astoria Regency. Nemeo Manda Miraconel behind the scenes kay Dolo kayo. Pero sa nakikita man multitask, so okay lang si. Anyway, Estelian Avail al client si Ma'am Rose. Ma'am Rose, thank you for having me. Ano kuya, pagod ka na? Fast learner lang gadimiyo kuya ba? So I sell some of the outputs si kuya ay. So last part yes to the program guys, L18 shots. Pak, alegre sa sila. Oh, thank you guys na very smooth and successful program coordination. So yan para ba yung mga traga ko ng sushi Mom's Joy.
Get the book ads from YTC Events family.
Till next live. Thanks for watching. Bye.